Hi, and welcome to umnify. In this video, you will learn how to efficiently manage your contacts and companies with the umnify CRM bundle. We will guide you step by step on how to install it and use the main features. So let's get started. The umnify CRM helps you to manage all important information about your customers, partners, and companies in one place. It consists of two apps, Contacts and Companies. With these apps, you can easily manage all contacts, send mails, assign responsibilities, and document interactions. Your advantage: all relevant data is centrally available, saving you time and allowing you to improve your customer relationships in a targeted way. If you haven't installed the CRM bundle yet, it's very easy. Open the App Store in umnify and click Install for the CRM bundle. Using the slider, you can choose whether to install demo data or start with completely empty apps. Within a few seconds, you'll find the Contacts and Company app in your overview and can start right away. Let's start with the Contacts app, your central place for all customer and business contacts. In the app overview, you'll see a summary of your contacts and can create new ones or edit existing ones. The dashboard at the top provides a quick overview of important key figures. My follow-ups shows upcoming tasks. My new emails informs you about incoming messages, and the fields leads and customers provide an overview of your contacts by status. Each of these widgets is clickable, so you can view the filtered contacts with just one click and continue working right away. To return to the start view, click Show All at the top. To create a new contact, click the New Contact button at the top right. Now you can enter all relevant information. Mandatory fields are marked with a red star so you can immediately see what is required. In the company field, you can link the contact directly with an existing company from your company's app. If needed, add classifications like status or priority to better categorize the contact. In the Details tab, you also have the option to assign a responsible employee from your team. This person will clearly be associated with the contact and can focus on inquiries or further support. Once all the data is entered, simply click Save and the new contact is created. To create a new company, open the Companies app and click the New Company button at the top right. After that, you can enter all the relevant information needed to manage a company in the CRM. To keep your company data organized, there are fields for additional classifications like priority or industry. Once all the data is entered, just click Save and the company will be created in umnify. In umnify, contacts can be found in various ways. The overarching search at the top allows you to quickly search by name or company. As soon as you type in a term, the results are displayed directly in the current app. If you want to search across all apps, you can click Search in all apps to get a more comprehensive list of results and access the desired information even faster. Once you type in a term, the matching results will appear, so you can directly access the entry you are looking for. When you are in the Contacts app, the filter icon at the top right gives you a targeted search option. This allows you to narrow down the list of existing contacts by specific criteria and displays exactly the information you need. By clicking Show All, you can return to the Start view. For an even more detailed search, you can use the blue filter button at the top right. Here you can combine multiple filter options to find contacts based on specific attributes or characteristics. A great advantage of umnify is the ability to flexibly customize apps to your needs. You can use the settings to add fields or adapt existing structures so that the app fits your work processes perfectly. A practical example is adding an additional notes field in the company's app. With this, you can directly store special agreements, internal notes, or important additional information about the company. To do so, open the settings and navigate to the app layout section. Here, you'll see the current app structure displayed in individual tiles. You can move these tiles using drag and drop to adjust the arrangement. If you want to add a new field, simply click on the plus symbol in the bottom right corner of an existing field, and a new field will be created right below it. Before creating the new field, select the field type. There are various types of fields, such as date fields, categories, or text fields. In this example, we'll choose a text field to add notes. After adding the field, give it a suitable name. Then save the changes and the new field will be available in the app and ready for use. Let's take a look at how you can send emails to a contact. Open a contact and click the new email button at the top right. This will open the email editor where you can add the subject, content of the message, and attachments. To send emails directly from umnify, your email account needs to be connected. If you haven't done this yet, you can do so in the general settings. We explain how this works in detail in our video about email settings. To make your emails even more efficient, you can use placeholders called variables. These automatically pull information from the system and are perfect if you want to create templates, for example. To insert a variable, click on the symbol in the top right corner. In this example, we'll add the variable for the first name. Before sending the email, you can preview it by clicking the preview button to make sure everything looks right. If everything is correct, click send and your message is on its way. We hope this overview of the umnify CRM was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@umnify.com. And now, have fun with your umnify CRM.